everyone. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 1960 Ford Starliner, the AMT Ertl kit. 125 scale. This particular kit came out in 2000. Alrighty. This is kit number 30044. This one has a 352 cubic V8 in it, posable front wheels, a separate frame and floors. That's a really sharp vehicle. Let's see what we got going on in this one. Took the plastic off of this one years ago, I know for sure. Here we are, 1960 Ford Starliner. A little bit of specifications on this particular vehicle. 360 horsepower V8, 3-speed manual overdrive. Before you begin, shipping weight on that actual car was 3,667 pounds. Total production 68,641. Factory base price says 1958 for a 1960 vehicle, $2,723. Can't even buy a used car for that anymore. Isn't that something? Alrighty, here's your engine. Looks like it's nicely detailed. Tires. Again, a color availability based on Ford OEM specifications. That's cool. Exterior colors, two-tone interior, very nice. Very nice. Give you some tips on what to paint for your dashboard. And then tips on putting it all together. Separate fuel tank, that's pretty cool. The whole front bracing of your radiator support and all that, and the latch for your hood, and little coolant tank there. Very nice. Alright, let's see what we got inside here. Well, here's the decals right here. We'll go ahead and look at those. Not much, guys. Colorado and Minnesota today. Caution thing for under the hood, and a little stripe to go somewhere. And those little things there, I don't even know what those are. Alrighty. Very basic on that. Here's the glass. Well, they got that packaged up really good. Here's your front windshield, headlights, and then the back window. Go ahead and leave that wrapped up. Here's the body. Oh yeah, that's sharp. Very nice looking. Reminds me of a 60, 61 Impala kind of body style. Yep, and 59, 60 taillights there almost, or tail fins, I mean. Very reminiscent. Okay. We'll go ahead and put that right back in the bag because it's right here. And we have some chrome. Hope you all having a great day. Here's the rear bumper, front bumper, and the grille. Very nice. Air cleaner. Little dog dish hubcaps, door handles, very nice. Windshield wipers, excellent. And the mirrors, side mirrors, and then the rear view mirror, and antenna, I believe that is. Got a little bit of flashing on it. One of these again, the replica. We'll just toss that around. No, that's just one piece there. And then some parts. Look at this, guys. This one's got a rubber band on it. That's different. Okay. Wonder how many of those that factory went through, eh? And it's just to hold the parts together because the bag is sealed. Interesting. Now, because they're right here, I'm going to go ahead and do the tires and the tail lights, and we'll just put them right back in the box. There's the tail lights. And we got 4 tires, which are Firestones. These are Firestones. Okay tread. I wouldn't trust them with my life, but they're okay. Put those back. And right off the top we have big giant hood. Looks like it fit a truck. That's a big hood. Nice detail underneath. A couple of these things, I think they're hinges. Right there. The gas tank, which is really cool looking. I like that. You can definitely do some nice detail on that. Front suspension parts, upper control arms. You know what? No, these are lower control arms. Yep. Alright. Your big old Ford rear end with the front carrier here. Battery. Steering wheel. Nice looking steering wheel. Steering column. Single barrel master cylinder. And the steering gear box itself here. Alright. Here we have the door sides, interior door panels, rear end or rear window things. The back seat area. Here's the back seat. Coil springs. Really? Leaf springs. Man. And shock absorbers. That's all on that one. Here's a tree with just exhaust pieces on it. Oh no, there's 2 little deals here. These look like little hinges or something. Oh no, these are the perches for the leaf springs again. There's a name for them. I can't think of what it is at the moment. Those tie the leaf springs together with U-bolts. And then here's the upper control arms, coil springs, spindles, steely wheels, backs of the wheels with, you know, mock-up looking brake part things on it. Front seat, back of the front seat. Looks like coolant lines, heater hoses, regular coolant, and another one there. Nice firewall and dashboard. A little bit of a bend on this one too. That's interesting. Radiator core support with the radiator built in. Little coolant tank and that front end with the latch for the hood. Fan belt and steering. Fan belt and pulley system. Engine halves. Engine heads. Oil pan. Front of the engine. Oil pump. Water pump. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm going to have to take a break today, guys. I can't speak English anymore. Exhaust manifolds. Nice valve covers. Has Ford stamped into them. Yep. Intake manifold. Carburetor. Right here. Fan belt. Fan. One of those. That's a fuel pump. Distributor. Generator with the brackets built onto it, the back of the generator. And here's the chassis. Very nice thickness on that. Really nice. Boy, that thing could be pretty universal. You just about use that on any vehicle. Looks like it's got a little bit of a bend to it there. Have to warm that up with a heat gun and stretch it back where it belongs. Alright. And then last but not least, the frame. Beautiful frame. Again, you could use this for all kinds of different models. That is really sharp. Well, that's all, kids. Hope you have yourselves a great day. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Get your friends to subscribe. Help me grow this channel. I'm having a blast. I hope you are too. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.